Hello everyone, welcome to A Activities. Today we are learning the most powerful game for brain, which is the spot the differences between the two pictures. Coming to the benefits of doing this activity is when you identified the objects you see, you exercised your occipital lobe, which is a visual processing center in your brain. When you analyzed the spatial relationship between the objects, you exercised your occipital lobe and parietal lobe, which is responsible for integrating sensory information. When you had to memorize the objects in the left picture and compared to them to the one of in the right picture, you made use of your short-term memory, and this process involved your frontal and parietal lobes. When you needed to mark down the locations where you saw the difference, you exercised your frontal lobe, which is linked to your capability of planning, playing, paying attention and movement. So basically you can find three major areas of your brain with a simple game. To constantly reap the benefits, you are strongly advised to play Spot the Differences game from time to time and escalate the level of difficulty gradually. So for the children at the beginning, we give them very basic images which they are familiar with and limit to the differences, and then escalate the level of difficulty gradually. So here let's see how the kid is doing. Arjun. So Arjun, here I gave you two pictures. You should find out the differences, okay? So here you should find out 5 differences. Okay. Find out and circle it, okay? Do. At the time of doing, you count also, okay? 5 differences I said, right?
Yes.
2,
3,
3,
4,
and
5,
good. And this one. What you should do is, I'll show you. Here one picture, you can see. To this picture, you find the differences, okay?
Okay.
For this, this. For this, this. And
Okay.
I'll show you one. So here I can, for one picture, 3 differences are there, okay? Here, this is missing, right? So, do circle like this, okay? Round out like this, okay?
Okay.
Three differences. One is done by me, and 2 more.
Next.
3 differences I said in this picture.
3.
Only 2 done, right?
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
2 differences already you have finished, right? And 1 more difference is there. You find out it.
This legs is like this.
Okay.
This like this, like this.
Do
This
it.
is this is wrong.
Compared to this picture,
Correct.
see, compared to this picture, this is wrong, right? So do this. Circle it. Do circle.
You make one more picture.
Next, in this picture, you find out differences. Do circle, okay? Don't draw it.
Okay.
Do circle. Where it is missing, do circle.
Finish.
Is it correct? Check it out.
Here also.
Yeah. And check it out. Is it correct?
Yes.
Once check it.
I checked.
Is it correct?
Yes.
But I say no. Check it once. What you did is not correct. No. This is same. This is same. Here you have this. Here you have. Not that. Erase it. That is correct only. No. That is correct only, right? Remove it. Erase it, Arjun. Erase it. That is correct only. Find out another one. 2 you have done. Yes, that is missing. Do this. See what I said to you, what you did, I said where that image is missing, there you should circle like this, I said, okay? Show you, see? I'll show you. In this picture, I will show you, okay? Here, we have to find 3 differences. Here, I can see there is no this thing. So, I'll circle it. 1, like this. Here, this is same. Wait, I'll show you. Here, this is missing. Do circle. 2. See, here I can see difference, right? This is upward, this is downward. It should be downward, right? But it is upward. So this is one difference. Like this, do circle, okay? Initially like this, you can give the pictures, basic pictures, and then slowly you can escalate the difficulty in the pictures and give them so that they can do it easily. Thank you for watching. Bye bye until the next video.